Imagine 1 second you're sitting happily in your aircraft seat, maybe watching a movie or chatting with your friends, and then all of a sudden you're instead staring straight out through a gaping hole in the wall as your aircraft starts rapidly descending down towards the ground below. And now picture that this is all happening because someone several months earlier just forgot to do something. Stay tuned.
Alaska Airlines temporarily grounding its fleet of Boeing 737 MAX 9 aircraft in the wake of...
In the middle of May 2023, a couple of workers at Spirit AeroSystems in Malaysia were busy working on something known as a cabin door plug that was to be fitted to a brand new Boeing 737 MAX-9. This is the newest member of the Boeing 737 family and by far the currently most economically important part of Boeing's airliner business. The part that these guys were working on looked in many ways like a normal emergency exit door, but without the components needed to operate it, and it also had a normal-sized window instead of the porthole-sized ones that was being used on normal exit doors. The reason this door plug was even needed was because the Boeing 737 MAX family had been further stretched than the older NG variant in order to be able to carry even more passengers. The passenger capacity of any commercial airliner is normally limited by the amount of emergency exits it has, which needs to be enough to allow all of the passengers to exit safely using only half of the available exits in 90 seconds or less in case of an emergency. The previous 737s had, with only one exception, been limited to 189 passengers, and because of that there were only 8 emergency exits needed. 2 in the front, 4 over the wings and 2 in the back. But since the MAX would be able to carry a lot more passengers than that, 2 new exits needed to be fitted into the design, and